Assalamualaikum, we are from Group 2 and we will present an innovation case study on Touch and Go eWALLET, one of the leading fintech innovation in Malaysia. Innovation is important for business to stay competitive and meet the changing needs of consumers in the digital era. Touch and Go eWALLET has changed the way Malaysians make daily transactions by providing a secure, convenient, and cashless payment solution. In this presentation, we will discuss the firm's innovation journey through the aspects of idea, technology, people, and process. Touch and Go was established in 1996 and originally focused on providing a contactless smart card system for toll payments on Malaysian highways. Over time, the company expanded its services by introducing smart tag, parking payments, and public transportation integration. In 2017, Touch and Go partnered with Ant Group to establish TNG Digital and launched the Touch and Go eWallet. This marked a major transformation from a physical card provider to a digital financial services platform. Since then, the company has introduced innovations such as RFID technology, Pay Direct, Go Plus, Go Invest, and enhanced NFC-enabled cards. Today, Touch and Go eWallet serves millions of users and has become an important part of Malaysia's digital payment ecosystem.
Moving forward, we shall progress to the idea section, which center on the conceptualization and evolutionary framework of the Touch and Go eWallet. The inception of this digital application was primarily driven by the need to mitigate critical market constraints, specifically the lack of real-time account balance tracking and the systemic operational challenge associated with flexible reloading. To resolve this structure inefficiency, Touch and Go established a strategic partnership with Ant Group to develop this platform, thereby consolidating and strengthening its competitive positioning within the digital marketplace. Furthermore, the Touch and Go eWallet is theoretically classified as a service innovation. This classification is justified as the platform effectively integrates advanced technical elements with contemporary commercial requirements to comprehensively transform the transaction model, aligning directly with the established conceptual framework described in the Oslo Manual. In addition, the rising penetration of smartphones, coupled with enforced restriction of social mobility during the macroeconomic crisis of the COVID-19 pandemic, directly catalyzed opportunities for Touch and Go eWallet to empower its innovative product portfolio, consequently necessitating a drastic paradigm shift from traditional cash-based transaction to a cashless ecosystem.
Assalamualaikum. For this slide, I'll go through the fintech evolution of Touch and Go eWallet, showing how we transition from a simple physical transit card into a powerful borderless financial ecosystem. We have structured this journey into three distinct phases. First, our smart touchpoint tech bridges the gap between hardware and software. We have eliminated everyday friction using QR code for extended retail, enhanced NFC for instant card reloads directly on your phone, and high-frequency RFID for seamless drive-through, tolling and parking. Second is our growth and security shield. By shifting millions of physical card users to a mobile-first app, we sparked a massive network effect. To keep this scale secure, we utilize automated digital eKYC verification and real-time AI to detect fraud and calculate precision credit scoring instantly. Finally, our future is driven by next-gen AI. We are actively deploying AI-powered investment co-pilots, NLP tools for automated spending categorization, and expanding borderless cross-border QR networks. Touch and Go is no longer just an e-wallet. It is a borderless financial companion. That's all from me. Thank you.
For this section, I will discuss the people behind the innovation of Touch and Go eWallet. First, the key innovator were the management team, software developer, engineer, and digital innovation specialist. They were responsible for developing and continuously improving the Touch and Go eWallet platform to meet the growing demand for digital payment in Malaysia. Second, the source of innovation came from several factors. There was a growing demand for cashless payment, increased smartphone and internet usage, and the rapid adoption of contactless payment method during the COVID-19 pandemic. This change encouraged Touch and Go to expand its service beyond traditional toll payment and introduce a digital wallet solution. There were several stakeholders involved in the innovation process. Direct stakeholders include developer, IT specialists, company management, banking institutions, and also merchants who support the development and operation of the platform. Indirect stakeholders include consumer, government agency, and Bank Negara Malaysia, which play important roles in regulation, adoption, and continuous improvement. Finally, stakeholder buy-in was achieved through convenience, security, and attractive incentive. Touch and Go eWallet introduced user-friendly features such as QRP, Do It Now, bill payment, and also Go Plus. The company also strengthened customer trust through security features such as PIN protection, password, and face verification. In addition, cashback reward, discount, loyalty program, and government initiative such as e-Penjana and e-Belia encourage more users to adopt the platform.
Hi, I will talk about the process of Touch and Go, recognizing that physical card was changed end of life due to manual top-up limitation. NG reject traditional slow R&D. Instead, they embrace open innovation, forming a strategic joint venture with Alibaba's Ant Group to build the NG eWallet. To roll this out successfully, they focus on 3 things: mass testing via highway RFID, aggressive merchant onboarding from C-stall to supermarket, and close collaboration with BNM for regulatory compliance. Internally, they did rigid planning for the agile model. This allowed them to launch products like Pay Direct and Go Plus in short iterative sprint based on real user data. While they could have chosen a cautious stage gate approach or a lean MVP card, their choice of open innovation prioritized speed, allowing them to capture the market before competitors could even lace up their shoes.
In conclusion, Touch and Go eWallet is a successful example of innovation management. Through continuous improvement in technology, services, and business operations, the company has evolved from a toll payment provider into a leading digital financial platform. Its success shows how innovation supported by the right technology, people, and strategy can create value for customers and contribute to the growth of Malaysia's digital economy. Thank you.